In today's topic, we're going to create a weight converter program in Python. We'll convert pounds to kilograms or kilograms to pounds. The user is going to decide. We will begin by creating a weight variable. We will assign some user input. Enter your weight. We will convert this input into a floating point number, so add that cast. Then we will ask for a unit. Is this weight in kilograms or pounds? Input should be kilograms or pounds. We want the user to type in either K for kilograms or L for pounds. And these are capital letters, by the way. Using an if statement, let's first check to see if our unit is equal to a capital K. That means the current weight is in kilograms. We need to convert that weight to pounds. Let's reassign weight equal to our weight times 2.205. Else if the unit is equal to L, we need to convert to kilograms. Weight equals weight divided by 2.205. Else, the user did not type in something that was valid. Let's print using an F string. Unit was not valid. Hey, you are still here. Thanks for that. And be sure to like, comment, and subscribe as it helped me get better. Drop a comment what your name and your current goals in life. Let's get back to the video. At the end of our program, we will print the new weight. I'll use an F string. Your weight is our new weight after it's reassigned. Now we need a unit of measurement. This is what I'm thinking. We'll do within our if and else if statements. Let's reassign our unit. We're reassigning unit to be lbs for pounds, else if unit equals kgs for kilograms. In our results, we will display our new unit. Let's take a look. Enter your weight. Let's say I'm 180 lbs. This is in pounds. I'll type capital L. Your weight in kilograms is 81.63. I think I'm going to round this. I will enclose the weight variable within a round function. We will round to 1 decimal place. Let's try this again. Enter your weight. Maybe I'm 81 clours. I'll type K for kilograms. Your weight is 178.6 lbs. Let's make sure that this else statement works too. Enter your weight. 180 pizzas. Pizzas was not valid, so we're still displaying our output. We would want to avoid that if somebody doesn't type in a valid unit. So let's cut this line, then paste each within the if and else if statements. When we exit the else statement, we're not printing the output. So let's make sure that this works. Enter your weight. I am 180 pizzas. Pizzas was not valid. All right, everybody, well, that is a weight converter program in Python. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to me and turn on notification bell so you don't miss any things. Thanks for watching.